Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today we have a front lip from test launch here installed on the Model Y Juniper premium model. This is the rear wheel drive. We know that the new performance model just came out. It looks a little bit more sporty, but we like it to be even sportier than that, but without being aggressive. So here is the front lip. I'll show you the install of this shortly. I would suggest either having your car on some wheel ramps or on a lift, just so that you can get under the car, navigate things better. You will have to drill into the bottom of the car, so you need some room for your drill there, which is why the wheel ramps are useful. You can also see here I did some side skirts, which is going to be its own separate video, but this front lip is from test launch. And they also have some fog light covers that I'll be putting on in this video too. I'm just starting off the video showing you the front lip first, and going to show you the fog light covers next after that. But here's how the car looks with just the front lip. You can buy the front lip on its own, or they sell a kit where you can buy the front lip and the fog light covers together. I believe they also sell the fog light covers on their own. So something very neat. I think this is a very good sporty look without being too aggressive. The fog light covers does make it even sportier, maybe adds a little aggressiveness to it. So this is why I'm showing you just the front lip on itself first, and then I'll show you the fog light covers. So let's go ahead with the installation, get started. We'll have a little intermission after the installation to show you some things, and then we'll put on the fog light covers after. So let's get started with the video.
Okay, so the front lip comes in three pieces actually, so we have to connect them together. Here is the fog light covers, so you can see they've got a cool, aggressive looking look there. And we can just stick it on without even peeling the tape backing, and we can see just how it looks on the car, at least on one side here. And we're gonna go ahead and put the car up on the ramps. This will just give us a little bit more room to work underneath the car there. If you have two jacks, you can use jacks too to lift up the car. This is just a little easier. So we're attaching the front lip here. We're attaching the right side first. There's two screws that attaches the right side into the middle. So we're just going to use our drill here to speed up things a little bit versus a screwdriver. And then we're going to go ahead and do the other side next. We're just taking a visual inspection here to make sure everything looks even. Everything looks good. So we're on to the next side now. And there we go. The front lip is all assembled. That just took a couple minutes. So now we can go ahead and get it ready to put on the car. The first thing we're going to do is wipe it down and then apply some of the included tape. So I did 3 strips, and then I did a couple other spots leading up to the screw holes at the top, as you'll see here. So now we bring the front lip to the car, elevating it here with some boxes just to get it closer to the car. Because first thing we're going to do is peel off some of the tape, stick the lip onto the car, and then go from there. And then the the more you can elevate the lip and get it closer to the bottom of the car, the better. Because the tape can't really hold the whole thing on its own with its weight until you screw it in. So I'm really only putting in one side first, and then I'm using some blue painter's tape to hold it together. You'll see in a little bit that I actually needed to use a little bit more, because when I work on the other side here, same thing, I'm peeling off the tape backing. I'm going to stick it on. As long as you keep the middle supported, that's the most important thing. As you can see, I didn't have any more boxes to stack underneath the lip, so the right side here actually came loose, but that's totally fine. The tape is just there to hold it until you're able to screw it in. What I also like about the tape strips too is it kind of closes out any air gaps. Once you screw it in, there's really no gaps for any air to get through. So the tape just acts kind of like another seal. And there you can see I'm putting some more blue painter's tape. That way it can really hold in the lip until I screw it in. So peeling off the rest of the tape backing now from the middle of the front lip and holding it up with some blue painter's tape as well. So here applying some blue painter's tape to the front of the car. And now we're drilling in from the bottom. And you can see we're going nice and slow. These are self-tapping screws. So you drill it just until it's tight, and once it's tight, you let go. If you keep drilling it, once it's tight, it's just going to get loose again. So just drill it up until it's tight. Then you're done. We're going to take the car off the ramp here, and let's take a look at what we did. And man, I have to say this absolutely looks amazing. Totally transforms the front of the car here. It's a night and day difference, and this is just the front lip here that you're seeing. So in the beginning of the video, you saw the side skirts as well. So making sure everything is even, everything looks great.
All right, guys, so this is the front lip installed from test launch on the car. They also have the two fog light pieces that I'm gonna be putting on next. They do sell the kits separately. If you want just the front lip, you can do just that. If you want the front lip plus the fog lights, they do that, and then they also sell the fog light cover separately as well. So we can see just how amazing the car looks with just the front lip. Obviously, I did some side skirts too. In this part of the video, I did multiple things. I came back to film the rest of this video at a later date because I still wanted to do the fog light covers. I wanted to run the car just like this, just to see how everything looks, get some pictures and stuff like that, some video. And then now I'm gonna install the fog light covers, but we can see with the front lip on, it just looks absolutely amazing. Obviously, you guys are going to be seeing a lot of videos coming out now in the new Model Y Performance. The videos were just released yesterday from the time I'm filming this. So we see what the new Model Y Performance looks like. And then we see the Model Y Premium. This is now the premium model. We see the Model Y Premium with the front lip kit, as well as some side skirts, which is going to be its own separate video. But we can see just how sporty the car looks, really how sporty it looks without being aggressive. That's the thing. I like sporty without being too aggressive. Again, this is just an SUV. It is not a sedan. It's not a sports car. But those of us that like cars, this feels like a sports car to us in SUV form. So to me personally, this looks way better than the Model Y Performance. Now, I'd be really curious to see what the Performance model looks like with some body kit on it as well, but I don't think anyone's gonna be doing that anytime soon, and this car has pretty much everything the Performance has except for the interior. I did the carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber spoiler. I did a lot of carbon fiber things on the interior. I did wheels, front lip, side skirts. The only thing left to do on this is a rear diffuser. So let's go ahead and get on to installing the fog light covers. All right, guys, so we have the fog light cover here, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on. But before we do that, we just need to remove this tape here. Once we remove the tape, we're gonna use the included adhesive promoter, which is basically just a high strength alcohol pad to wipe down the area so that this adheres better. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull off the tape, and then we're gonna go ahead and stick this onto the car. All right, so now that we removed the tape, we can just go ahead, come over to the car here. There's a nice little lip on the bottom of the fog light cover that kind of sits under the fog light here. There's a nice little lip on the bottom of the fog light cover that kind of sits in the groove above the fog light. So that's kind of how you can align it properly. And then there's a lip here that sits on this part. So let's go ahead and get this all lined up. And you'll pretty much know when it's lined up because it'll line up on the bottom here first. So we can line it up on the bottom, stick it on, and then we can stick it on here too. And we just want to hold it down for a good minute or so to let it adhere nicely and properly, especially since this is going to be on the front of the car. It's going to get a lot of air and wind. Same for the front lip. You want to make sure everything's super secure. So we'll come back in about a minute. Okay, so that's the first side over there. We can see how that looks, and we can see the other side here with nothing on it yet. Definitely adds some roar to the car, some little extra oomph. Definitely makes it more sporty, that's for sure. My thing is I don't know if it's too aggressive or not. So we're gonna put on the other side here and we're gonna take a look and see just how it looks. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put on the other side here. We're gonna follow the same steps. The bottom of this top lip will sit there. The top of this bottom lip will sit on this edge here. So get everything lined up and we'll stick it on. All right, just like so. And we'll stick it on for about a minute or so. All right, so we can see here exactly how this looks. Definitely even sportier than just with the front lip on. For some, I know it might be too aggressive. I think it looks good. Debate or not whether I'm gonna keep it, but my job and my goal with these YouTube videos with the Model Y Juniper is just to show you exactly what possibilities there are for the car, whether I like it or not, whether you like it or not. At the end of the day, it's just an informative video on how to do these things, how to install these accessories and products, and for you guys to see in a video form versus pictures on a website what this looks like on the car. So here's a front-on view, and I'm gonna go ahead, go around and give you a side-to-side view of the fog light covers here. So it definitely looks way more boxy looking, definitely super aggressive. I think these would look good and would look better if you had like a nice big spoiler on the back. You know, this definitely fits better with the side skirt than without a side skirt, so that's another thing you have to think about as well. But for this kit, this is just the front lip and the fog light cover trim pieces. Just gonna go around the car here for you guys so you can see exactly how it looks. And I'll give you a full-on side view as well, just so that we can see exactly how it looks from the side here. From the side, it looks very nice, actually. I really like how it looks on the side. From the front, it looks awesome, but I think the in-between, to me, it's just a little too aggressive. But again, it all depends on what type of look you're going for. If you're going with really aggressive mods, like a really big spoiler, you know, I just have the performance spoiler here. If you're going with a really big diffuser, really big side skirt, front lip, then this will go nicely. But I don't think it's bad at all. I think it's actually pretty cool. It's definitely different. It adds some new lines to the car that weren't originally there. So that's something that will appeal to some and something that won't appeal to some people as well. So here it is. To me, it kind of gives it more of like a robotic, like transformer look, something like that, being super aggressive. And there we go. So there we go, guys. This is the front lip and fog light covers from Test Launch. You can go ahead and check it out on testlaunch.net. And as always, you can save 10% on Test Launch with my code TFIG. Saves you 10% on their whole website, everything on there. They have some great accessories. I've installed quite a few accessories from them already, so go ahead and check them out. Now you can probably see why I wanted to do kind of a before video with just the front lip on and an after video with the fog light covers and the front lip, because it really transforms the car. The front lip on its own really transforms the car. The fog light covers on its own really transforms the car. And if you put them both together, you're getting completely different looks. So that's, you know, 3 different looks you're getting depending on which ones you go with. Add on some side skirts as well, and it really just accentuates the car even more with these modifications. So for those of you looking for a little bit of a sportier Model Y, I actually saw a really sporty looking Model Y in the parking lot here when I was driving in here to my film location. So I see a lot of you guys have been putting on the mods that I've been showcasing in some of my videos. Again, all my videos are informational, just to help you guys see some of these products in action, in motion, in video, and not just on a picture and a word description. You know, you're visually seeing everything here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, you can save 10% on Test Launch. I'm uploading videos as often as I can. I just came back from vacation. I have a big backlog to go through and a lot of things in the works. So please stay tuned on my Model Y Juniper videos and my Model 3 Highland videos. I know the Model Y Juniper is way more popular, so thanks again for watching the Fit IT Guy. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.